back to the vlog. It is vacation prep week and I'm so excited. You guys already know I'm in my vacation era. Besides the hair and the nails, we got to get the fashions. And today's video is sponsored by Walmart. I went on walmart.com and I found some pieces that I cannot wait to share with you guys. Now, you know, if it's one thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you some looks for your trips. I would not lead you astray with these looks. So I went in the category of Walmart fashions and the pieces that I found for this trip. I need to just show y'all. So let me show you the pieces that I got. Okay, so our first outfit is this figure hugging crochet dress. Now, what I love about this dress is you can wear it on a beach day or you can wear it like a regular day on vacation because it's, even though it's crochet, it's not see-through, which I appreciate. The back is low cut and it has the ties that you can adjust. It is so flattering. I got this in a size medium and it's the color and the fit for me. Now, you already know you can't really be doing vacation unless you get you a little straw bag. It is an essential for your trip. So I got this bag and I got it in the bigger size. Look at the quality. It's the handles that sold it for me because what? Now, you know you can't do vacation without a proper swim set. When you're going on a tropical vacation, blue is just that color. So I got this swimsuit that is underneath this cover up in a size medium. I can't really show you guys because this is YouTube. We gotta keep it PG, and it's covering the front area to perfection because that is one of my pet peeves with swimsuits. It has to give me support in the front and the back. This cover up right here is just enough see-through to give you that extra oomph, but enough cover up where you can walk comfortably. You can do this drop shoulder on either side, or if you want to turn it front to the back and put this split on this side, it's just giving me enough leg action where it's like chef's kiss. When I saw this skirt, I'm like, yeah, I need to have this because this is definitely being worn multiple times, because I could picture this with a white swimsuit to do a full white look, or we could do the colors with the blue or a yellow swimsuit, but this is a staple because look at the material. We need to get into this orange set right here because baby, it is a giving. I'm loving the color against my skin and the quality. The quality of this is too good. Also, and I'm loving the double split on the side. It's really comfy. I got it in a size medium. We got another cover up because honestly and truthfully, I plan to be in a bathing suit every day of this trip. Love me a nude color because I can wear just about anything with it and it's a vibe. This green, the tassels on the bottom, and then it has the straps in the back. It is super flattering and the material is quality. This is definitely a good pick. On this trip, we could dress it up if we want to do like a nighttime vibe, and we could do heels and a lot of accessories and a cute clutch. Or it could be a daytime thing where I wear just a sandals and our little straw bag. So all the outfits that I tried on will be in the description box below. You can get them at walmart.com. It will take you directly to the website and you can get your vacation looks together. Y'all, if you see this hat, you know, you know it is not the most pleasant hair day, okay? But not to worry, just in 2 days all of this will come together. So first appointment is nails, so I'll be getting my nails done and I'm thinking a tropical mermaid vibe or going all out, okay? I got my nails real filled about a week and a half ago, so we're just gonna do a polish change and design, and then later on lashes tomorrow, the hair, and then we start packing and getting our ish together. Let's go.
Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10. Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 2 doors in my coupe. I look better under you, girl, I love you, you my truth. OJ with that juice, got that magic 32. Tell me what you tryna do. Look, I'm hotter than 10. Check out my phone and you calling again. Pull up outside and you all in the bins. Keeping it up, I don't need the extends. Running it back and again and again. It is so good, got you telling your friends. You late for work, stuck in traffic again. Do not disturb, now we off of the grid. Who does it better? Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10.
I love the 3D design. Look at this. So pretty. When I get home, I'll show you guys like still, but right now we're on the move. Okay, we're on the move because I have to get to my next appointment, which is my lashes. I had to take off the hat because obviously I can't do my lashes with that hat. So we have a little do-rag on because again, the hair is not all the way together. I'm so excited because this is my first time going to this tech to get my lashes done. So I've seen some of her work, love it. So I'm excited. But anyways, heading there, on to the next one.
Oh,
Yes.
lovely.
My first time. Yeah, so the lashes are done. This is what the nails are looking like. Can y'all see that? I need some lotion, child. So it's giving like a tropical mermaid vibe. Yeah, we went to this restaurant called Little Nassau.
It's old NASA.
It's Old Nassau? I thought it was Little Nassau. So we got some mac and cheese. What do mac and cheese is?
6.
Honestly, it's my people's, but Caribbean people don't make the best macaroni and cheese. Where's it? No?
You've had mac and cheese in Angola. Don't do that.
I've had macaroni and cheese where you cook, but where am I go?
You've had a mac and
Where? Like as a restaurant, me I talk about. Me not talk about personal cooking, Simba.
Come on, that is good.
It just is the mac. I just
I give it an 8.
Not the kiwi with you.
Yeah, mac and cheese is very.
Yeah, alright. It look like fried rice.
Oh, it's fried rice? Yeah, fried rice?
No, it's not fried rice and peas, but
Oh.
Jamaicans that make rice and
What
peas.
does that mean?
Huh? Oh, macaroni and cheese there. The rice have corn in there.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Very interesting.
Maybe that's a Bahamian thing.
A seafood boil?
We've had food in Bahamas. Why would I not talk about that? Cause the restaurant we went to fish fry in the Bahamas. That's what the place name, right?
Don't do it.
Don't do it?
Don't do it.
Those are not. But that's. No, but you have to get honest reviews about things.
Yeah, but
I will not be silenced. Sometimes you have to get honest review because sometimes people need to put sanitation first. That is very important. That is that feedback people need. Sanitation. Amen?
Amen.
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it like she knew. Oh, but it's all.
So we're heading to the best part of vacation prep. You know, the hair. The hair. I'm about to get my hair done. I rewashed and blow dried my hair last night and then put it in some big old dookie braids. And yeah, we're doing Fulani boho braids. That's what I'm doing, right?
Yeah.
Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. So I want like that flip over version of the Fulani, not just straight backs, but like, you know them the roll with the two. Yeah, I think I have an eye infection because last week I had a bloodshot right in this same corner of my eye, and then it went away after 3 days, and then this morning I woke up and it's red again. So child, I need to go to the eye doctor. We're on our way. We should be there in like an hour. And then let's get into the hair, because I'm excited for how my hair is gonna turn out. I bought this braiding hair. It's a little bit on the orange side. The last time I did my braids to go to South Africa, they were on the more reddish side. It was like a deeper copper color. This time I wanted it to be more burnt orange. You think that's a good for me? Yeah. So I'm gonna do a more deep, not deep, more bright orange. We're gonna see how it turns out.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm tryna get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Hate that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time.
Everything is completed. We got our hair done, lashes done, nails done, wax done. We got our outfits. We got everything we need for this trip. So y'all better be subscribed to see when the vlog drops, to see where we're going. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope this was super entertaining. I love y'all so much. Don't forget to comment down below, share this video, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow me on all major social media platforms at Chev, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up for yourself. Bye guys. Mwah.